Hello everyone. So in last lecture we have well discussed related to this topic career counseling and how you can select the particular field and what is the future trend. So now in this tutorial we are going to learn about the preparation for study abroad. Now let us assume that you have completed your bachelor degree and you want to go to the foreign to study the further masters. So for that purpose let us take help of the ChatGPT and what are the documents may required or what are the important things which is required to keep in mind. Let us take the help of the artificial intelligence. So I have prepared one ready-made prompt. Let us copy this part and we are going to paste this thing in the ChatGPT. So here I have mentioned like I have completed my graduation and master for master I want to go to the UK from India. Please help me with the following steps which are required to be followed. Let us paste this thing and wait for the answer. So ChatGPT is typing like you can see it is typing like research and university program. Then you have to understand about the check admissions requirement. Maybe it is mentioning that you need to meet the criteria such as minimum GPA and you may have a relevant undergraduate degree and English language proficiency, and for that it is required to have a IELTS and TOEFL examination. And then after it is mentioning that you can see that these are the important documents which may require like transcript from your institution, proof of English language proficiency of a test course. For that purpose you have to give the examination of IELTS and TOEFL, and it is mentioning that letter of recommendations from the professor. Then after SOP regarding the academic and career goal, and then after CV, passport size photo and any additional documents. So he is basically guiding us that first you have to complete this English language proficiency test. Then after you have to apply to the university, prepare for the interview and scholarship and financial aid, obtain the student visa, and based on that you can go to the further studies, prepare for departure and settle in and enjoy your studies. So basically he is giving us the few important steps. Now we are going to ask that I have done electrical engineering and I need your help. Which are the good university in UK and what field should I have to take? Okay, so let us go to the ChatGPT and paste this and let us wait for the answer. So you can see the result like research top universities are University of Cambridge, Oxford, Imperial College of London, University College of London, University of Manchester, Edinburgh, Bristol, Warwick. And then regarding the program specification, there are a specific field considering that power system and engineering, control system, electronics and microelectronics, telecommunication, renewable energy. So these are the few of the very good courses they have ChatGPT has provided, but however it is suggesting to have personal studies also. Now we are going to ask that what are the important documents which I require for further studies in UK. So let us paste this thing here and wait for the answer. So we get the result like academic transcripts which is called as our result of our degree, then degree certificate which you have enrolled throughout your curriculum, and English language proficiency test course, IELTS, TOEFL, letter of recommendations, and you need to submit letter of recommendation from professor or instructor or supervisor who is going to take care of you, and SOPs for a personal statement, then CV, passport size photo, funding, proof of funding. You have to provide the bank balance or what are the important things regarding the funding, who is going to fund you, and then the visa documents and the additional document. In sometimes standardized test score like GRE, GMAT, you may have to give this examination also. So these are the few things which is required to keep in mind. Now let us proceed further for our fourth question, which is regarding average cost for master of 2 years course to study in the UK. Let us paste our question here and wait for the answer. So it is giving us the very good idea like tuition fees are generally ranging from £14,000 to £28,000 per year. Living expenses you also have to consider 10,000 to 15,000. Health insurance like 150 to 300 pounds, then visa fee may require, then additional cost. So approximately 40 to 60,000 per year, the total cost for 2 years, like 40 to 60,000 pounds you required. So these are the few questions I have asked personally to the ChatGPT, like preparation for study abroad and how can I go to the study abroad, like from India to UK. And likewise, you can use these type of questions to get the personalized answer, like when you want to go from either US to UK or China to UK. So either way, you can use these type of questions and you can customize it. However, I am providing these all the questions prompt in as a notepad as a resources, so you can go through that, and if you want to modify it, you can do modification also. So thank you, and we will meet you in the next lecture.